So we have the tech up on the roof. He's just doing the pointing process now, getting the dish all tuned and installed. So there, he just found the satellite. So now he'll go through the steps to point it and get it locked down and tighten it, and then we'll go inside. Okay, so the installation of the Xplornet 4G satellite internet system is complete. We're just going to do a couple of speed tests. So I have my laptop connected directly to the modem, and I'm going to do a couple of different websites here. The first one we're going to do is toast.net. I'll just do run test here. This is a 4 meg file that's downloading right now. This customer's on 3 megabit per second package, so let's see what speed he gets here. So we got 2725 kilobits per second, so 2.7 kilobits per second, so that's pretty good speed. Now we're gonna try Speakeasy, which is another speed test website, and see what it says. So it gave a reading of 9.67 megabits per second, and the upload is showing at 0.43 megabits per second. So now let's try speedtest.net. So it got 3.64 megabits per second. Looks like the upload's going to be 0.42 megabits per second, or 420 kilobits per second. And then the last one is, we're going to try this ISP Geeks, and they actually have a satellite speed test. So let's try their satellite speed test. We'll see what it does. If you can read this. So it got 2.82. It's pretty difficult to read this, but it was 2.82 megabits per second. So there you have it. ISP Geeks got 2.82 megabits per second. Speedtest.net got 3.64 megabits per second. Speakeasy got 9.67 megabits per second, and Toast.net got 2.7 megabits per second. So I would say this customer is paying for the 3 megabits per second package. I would say the accurate reading is probably around that, like 2.7, 2.8 megabits per second.